You're watching Go. Thank you for spending time with us today. Jackie Poulin is the principal at Forest Park Elementary School and the Healthy Schools Initiative coordinator for District 68. What is the Healthy Schools Initiative?
We do a variety of things in regards to healthy schools, Health Among Us being one of them. This is the 13th year for Health Among Us. We also work on promoting the nutrition guidelines in schools. We have the Swim to Survive program in grade 3 and grade 7, which is district-wide, some extracurricular activities, a whole variety of things around promoting Action Schools BC, which is kind of revamping up to get kids out physically active and moving.
Is it getting more challenging to do that?
I don't know if it's getting more challenging so much as just wanting to make sure that we're providing lots and lots of opportunities, reminding kids, families, parents, teachers how easy it is. It doesn't have to be organized sport. It can just be going out and playing on a field such as this one, out at the playground and getting kids moving.
And this is a part of the school curriculum?
Absolutely. Daily physical activity is a part that came in a few years ago in addition to PE. So daily physical activity, where we're looking at in schools having students K to 9 active 30 minutes a day, just getting them moving. And of course, encouraging families to continue to do that at home, which many of our families do.
And you'd think it would be easy, but you know, we get tired at the end of the day and you just have to get up and move and you're never going to regret it.
Absolutely not. And it's always fantastic. The more we can do, going out for a walk, playing a sport, going to the playground, anything that we can do.
So now 13 years, Health Among Us. You've been involved since day one.
I have. So yep, 13 years ago, there was an organization in the city that had a whole number of partners coming together. City of Nanaimo, Parks and Rec at that time, school district, there was a couple of physicians in it, public health was involved, and it was called Move More, Eat Well. And it was a whole group of people that came together saying, what do we need to do to try and just promote this? And Health Among Us was one of the initiatives that came out of that at that time. And it started 13 years ago, was kindergarten to grade 7 at that time, up on the fields. We had a couple of fantastic years with weather like this. We had a few years with horrid weather, which we had to cancel days because the fields got so muddy. We went inside to Nick for a couple of years and moved it down to K to 4. Didn't like it inside so much because part of the beauty about moving is getting outside into nature as well. So we moved it down to the turf fields, which has been a fantastic move, and our numbers are just growing, and we now do kindergarten to grade 4.
Excellent. Now, one of the things we haven't touched on is the healthy aspect of eating, and there's some people who have helped make that possible for you today.
Absolutely. So we have a couple of partners here working with us today. So Brooks Landing Save on Foods has donated some of our snacks, and they've also had the RCMP partnership with them, working one of the stations and helping kids again, just reminding them that everybody needs to be active.
And that builds a good relationship with the RCMP.
It builds a fantastic relationship. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you for all that you do.
Fantastic. Not a problem.
Okay, we're going to throw things over now to a much anticipated, brand new, perhaps epic edition of Clocked.